Do you know about 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck at the end of the month? They don't even have $1,000 in their savings account. But if you're watching this video, it means you don't want to go down the drain. Today, I'm going to teach you how to save dollars in a realistic way, standing on American soil. No theory, just raw and practical tips. Let's get started. Hello guys, welcome to Mind-Blowing USA. As we all know, it is easier to make money in America than it is to spend it. A Netflix subscription, eating out 2 days a week, and unnecessary Amazon shopping. Yikes. Your savings are gone. In today's video, I will discuss 5 steps how you can skyrocket your savings. Financial experts of America always recommend to follow this rule. For example, rent, utility bills, and groceries. 30%. Wants. This is your hobby, watching movies or going for a walk. But if you want to save, you have to deduct from this part. At least 20% of your income will go directly to savings or investment. And small expenses. David Bach has a famous theory. You're drinking $5 a day of coffee. That sounds small, but that's $150 a month and $1,800 a year. If you brew coffee at home and take it in a flask, that's a huge amount of dollars a year. Smart shopping is one of the best ways to save money in America. Ibotta or Rakuten. Use these apps to get cash back on groceries or online purchases. Dollar store. Small everyday items like cleaning supplies or stationery can save you a lot of dollars. If possible, get a roommate instead of a big apartment. This will cut your rent in half. Car maintenance in big cities is very expensive. Use public transport to save on insurance and parking fees. Don't just save money, learn to use it. To beat US inflation, you need to invest. If you have a job, invest in these retirement funds. Instead of keeping money in ordinary banks, keep money in places where interest rates are high. Saving money is not stingy, but it is an investment for your future freedom. Which of these tips for today are you starting tomorrow? Let me know in the comments. Like the video if you like it, and subscribe to our channel for more American lifestyle and financial videos.